Mortgage brokers today use AI to cut down their costs, and I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm Ifthikar Mohammed. I am a mortgage broker like you. I've been in the industry for more than a decade, and I also run an accountancy practice which I've been running for the last 17 years, and I've been advising my clients on how to reduce costs. And today I'm going to advise you mortgage brokers how to reduce your costs using AI. And here are some of the techniques that I use with my brokers, and I'm going to share them with you today. First things first, you have accounts now from 1st of January till the end of December. That is 12 months. So what you can do is log into your accounting system. It could be Sage, it could be Xero, it could be any other software that you use, or speak to your accountant. Get your accounts month by month and line by line and upload it to LLM. Once you've uploaded it to the LLM, ask the LLM to compare you with other mortgage brokers in the industry, and then you will find a difference. And here are some of the bigger line items that's actually going to be driving your cost, and I'm going to show you how you can reduce this cost using AI. How do you reduce staff costs? It's almost impossible unless you cut down heads. And how do you do that? One thing you can do is look at some AI solutions which can take away some of the jobs that your staff do. So for example, analyzing bank statements. There are tools out there who can analyze bank statements. There are tools out there which can fill a fact find with almost zero human involvement. And that's the tool that you want. So you need to work on tools like that which can save you time. So with that, you can save time on analyzing bank statements, onboarding customers, filling fact finds, writing suitability letters, and many, many more. And one of the solutions I can recommend is MortgageX. With MortgageX, me and my brokers save a lot of time on this admin's task, which has helped us streamline our operation as well as save costs. Look at some of the tools where you spend money on and do a price comparison. And for that, I'll use something like ChatGPT's Atlas. So with that, it will go and do a comparison and tell you which tools can do the same job at a cheaper cost. So that's something that you want to look at. And by doing that, I managed to save at least £300 in this financial year. I do a lot of marketing. We advertise on Google, we advertise on Meta, and we advertise on so many other platforms. And these platforms today have their AI version, which helps me with the conversions. It tries to narrow down what customers actually work for me, and that has helped me save money on my advertising. So that has been a real big help. If you are doing advertising, this might be a good thing for you. Traditional content creation costs a lot of money. You would do things like writing blog posts, you would write articles, you will also do things like social media posts. All of them require content writing. But AI has made that easier. So that means you will have to spend less and less time trying to do this. And that will save you money. It has definitely saved me money this financial year. And that doesn't stop there. Even websites today can be developed using AI. And I have seen some of the brokers I work with do this, and it has saved them money. One of the popular platforms out there using AI and doing this is Wix. There is also GoDaddy who does that today. And there's so many other platforms that's out there. So if you're not sure what platform to use to do your website, just drop me a line and I might be able to help you on this. Mortgage brokers spend a lot of money on technology. They spend for things like CRMs. They spend for sourcing software. They also spend money on criteria tools. They spend money on AML checks. They spend money on ID verification. But that's no longer the case. Today, there are tools that's out there which will save you money on all of these things put together, and it will only cost you a fraction of the cost. And some of these CRM systems cost as low as £50 a month. And I'm sure that will be much cheaper than you putting all of these software together. If you save money and if you save time, what does that leave you with? That saves you more time. So with this spare time, you can sell more. You can sell more mortgages. And if you still have more time, remember consumer duty. A lot of brokers forget it. Sell more insurance. Things like life insurance, income protection, or critical life insurance policies. Those are things that mortgage brokers don't sell very well. And just imagine if your top line, that is your turnover, increases and you have a reduced cost base, what's going to be the end result? That's going to be more and more profit. So brokers who are part of our network actually benefit from me helping them with these. So if you need help with this, please do get in touch. And I'm Ifthikar Mohammed, thanking you for watching this video and signing off and wishing you all the very best for 2026.